Welcome to more drag makeup for older. It's been about 10 hours since my last confession. I'm going out to sing tonight, so I have to do a little more serious job than I usually do in the morning. So I'm going to glue my eyebrows down, not to cover them, but just to make them flat. So from the side you don't see protruding, bushy Harry Potter's foster father type eyebrows. Trying a bit. Let's see. I'm trying not to forget anything. I'll just start with spackle. I found this is better than some to fill the pores. And put this on with a flat brush. Now, before I do that, is there anything I need to protect? Maybe upper eyelid. I have the eye primer, and it's for protecting the eyes from makeup, but also I use mostly powder, so the powder sticks to this quite readily, and without this it's hard to get enough on there. Oh, this was congealing, and I asked the makeup people about that, and they said use less. Also, get all the oil off, wash your face, get the oil off your face before you put anything else on there. I just had a shower, washed my face, shaved, and did other unmentionable things. So there. Our eyes are primed. So, face painting with my magnifying mirror. Going to go up under the eyes here. Hopefully this will help the powders and assorted concealers stick. Most of the large pores I want to get rid of are on my nose, my Wallace Beery nose. You're supposed to know your drag history, so you look up who was Wallace Beery. He was an old Hollywood comedy star. Well, this would be a fairly long video because I don't know how to pause my camera. Because I'm a baby boomer and we don't know about such things. So get yourself a glass of wine or the whole bottle, and again, sit your glass down and light a candle. When you're older, your skin will get loose and the pores will get bigger. So you're lighting that. Skincare is a whole department of drag, and especially getting your makeup off afterwards, because makeup's quite hard on the skin, and you're trying to bring the skin back to when you were 22, and it's not going to happen if you've got 14 different chemicals sitting on it overnight. Doing this with a long distance mirror. When you use the magnifying mirror, you can see all the little flaws, imperfections. And I say, if anyone gets this close to you to see this, you already have them. What? I had you got hello? Oh, okay. Well, this is in a way covering over the large pores. If you brush gently, you can get a film. Remembering that makeup is designed to work at skin temperature, so we'll give it a minute to warm up and do its thing. And the problem area for me is in between here. There's all kinds of wrinkles and crinkles. Nothing too outrageous. You could powder this for more coverage or filling in the holes. I've only done it once, and I didn't take a really good bead on it. Some people say that after 50, powder is not your friend. Also, nose hair is a no-no. So that take a few parts of a minute to dry. Maybe I'll give the eyebrows another shot. There, you can see that glue is not taking effect. Need more at the back end. I personally wouldn't recommend getting your eyebrows plucked. I had them done once and they grew back in, the hair was 3 times the size. To fight back against whatever environmental demon had obviously stripped off or pulled out my protection from my eyes. So. You can get little micro razors that you can do this with. If you need that. Or you can just completely bury them with barbed layers and glue and powder and then hide them under foundation and do your own eyebrows. See, the glue is all bunched up in there. Some of the other makeup congealed as well. I'm going to ask about that. Maybe I have acid face, which would explain why people would say, your face is killing me. The spackle is not quite dry. Now, I have this is full coverage by MAC. TV paint stick, which I'm not going to use now. This is the full coverage for the RuPaul's Drag Race crowd. These are $30 a stick. And I bought one also TV paint stick in pure white. We're doing things like the nasolabial line to get rid of it when it's under a foundation. There was another solution that was offered to me at MAC. They gave me 2 shades of foundation. Very similar. This one's a little bit darker. This one's a little bit lighter. And the lady said, use the lighter one up here where you want to create that triangle and use the other one down here. And it's a simple way of getting that effect without working with one foundation and trying to colorize the thing and blend it and smooth it. And for this, I'm going to use a beauty blender. And although I brushed on the primer, which was to try to slide it over the holes that are the pores. This I'm going to push in. To the base. And this is pretty good coverage. You see how far this is going. Just after a couple of taps. You can pick some of this up, move it around a bit. Now, I'm getting ahead of myself. What needs to be done here is the orange beard cover. This is NYX, and MAC also makes it. I have my orange stained brush. I've had this for years, so it was pretty good value. There are 2 or 3 schools of thought on this orange. The main theory is you don't need as much as you think to counteract that blue. And what I do is I put it on with a brush. And then I reverse the direction of the brush and start pushing it up into the pores. And don't get it on your lips if you can help it. So it looks worse on the camera than it is, and it's a lot of orange. The ideal scene would be also to have the orange powder to powder this down, cover the holes. That comes from MAC only, and that's a trip downtown on the SkyTrain and walking poor blocks, which I haven't done for years, so I don't have the powder. So in the meantime, in the magnifying mirror, I see all kinds of huge pores that are not covered. I'm going to take the tip of it and get into